Today we'll be showing you how to set up the asset hierarchy at your organization. You as a super admin user will have an access to our PREXA365 setup app. From here, you can see the navigation screen to your left, where you can add, create, or modify any record at our application. So let's start, for example, with the asset hierarchy. You can create your asset hierarchy directly from the dashboard. Over here on the screen, you can see the click buttons for the Group 2, Group 1, and Asset groups. By clicking these buttons, you will be able to set up your Group 2, which is the reporting category. Let's say we would like to create the SUV reporting category under rental and hit save. Right over here, you will be able to see an option to add the Group 1 directly from the screen. Bear in mind, you don't have to switch the screens or tabs while doing that. You will be able to do that from one screen only. Let's add, for example, Group 1, 5-seater car, and save. And here in the drop-down list, you are able to add the asset group as well. Let's say it's BMW X1. That will be our asset group. Now, bear in mind that the status for that asset group by default is set to draft. So please hit active to activate this asset group in your inventory and be visible to the general users.